Hey everyone, another stop on the Shade Sales Canada Shade the Nation tour. We're here in Pelham, Ontario, Niagara region. We've got a bunch of sales around here, including Wayne Gretzky, but this one here is Pelham Peace Arch. So we're doing this and some arches behind as well, some cool sales, but this one went up today. I wanted to highlight here the angled posts. We've said this before, you don't have to have plumb posts. They can be angled. The key to us having the sail fit, of course, is measuring from your exact connection points to your exact connection points so that it'll fit whether the posts are plumb or angled, doesn't matter. So the key to it is put the posts the way you want and then take the measurements from the connection points on the posts, and the sail will fit perfect like this. There's about a 4-foot height variance here to get that high power shape, and you can also see the dual shade in this. So this is that dual shade fabric that's really cool, and you can see the different colors with certain sunlight. So cool little install here. Check us out, like us, and get in touch when you need our help. We're here to help.